How to get DoorDash credits for free. Let's get started. Launch your DoorDash app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. DoorDash credits are the in-app currency you can use to order deliveries. If you are a new user on DoorDash, you can earn free credits by inviting your friends. Simply invite your friends to join DoorDash, and you can earn $5 in free DoorDash credit for every friend who joins. Remember, each friend can only earn you $5. Another way to earn credit is by creating a virtual gift card. In the app, you can create a virtual gift card and choose the amount. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $50 from a virtual gift card. If you own a business, you can earn credits by inviting more customers to your business through the app. This is a great way to accumulate credits if you have a loyal customer base. And that's it. This is how you can get free DoorDash credits. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.